let's draw the sketch first.
If you want to bid for the cute illustration, so watch this video till the end. Actually, there is an easier way. Color fill the object. You can watch on my white t-shirt for the tips. Sorry, I forget to tell you guys about the setting of paper that I use. Here it is. By the way, if you enjoy this kind of artwork, you should check out my other drawings too, like a soft sunset view or a detailed Arabic eyes. I'll link them in the description so you can watch them next. But for now, let's keep working on this piece. And you have to blend it. For the shadow, make the layer mode into darken. Make another sliced one beside the whole lime. Make a circle and reshape with the wrap setting. Color fill the object. You have to blend it. and you have to blend it.
Bonus part.
The bid is open on comment for 4 days. You will get the HD and colored version of these illustrations